Hello coffee lovers, this is Sam with Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. We replaced the heating element on the espresso machine. You can see this is the old one, it had gone bad. And on these, some machines have, I think the customer installed the newer version of boiler on this machine potentially, because it has the older style steam wand and knob, but version 4 and newer has this heating element on it, and so you can just replace the heating element. It's a little bit less expensive than when you have to replace the entire boiler on version 3 and newer of the Rancilio Silvia. So let's go ahead and test the machine. I think there's a bit of a leak from the portafilter, but we didn't do anything to the portafilter. We just focused on the portafilter gasket may need to be replaced. It also looks like the steam is dripping a little bit, so this machine could have some other issues addressed on it, but today we just focused on the boiler. But you can see it's making a shot and the liquid is nice and hot. So thank you for preparing with Canon Coffee. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button below. Thank you.